Hi, Grandma and Grandpa. Here, pull your hat up a little bit so I can see your eyes. Can you say hi, Grandma? Hi, Grandpa. Can you say hi, Grandma? Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Jaju. Hi, Graham. Ooh, Harry says it's cold out here. Harry, where's Mommy? Where's Mama? Hi. Keep going. Harry goes from one house to the other. I don't think Harry's a big snow guy. Audrey, do you like the snow? Can you throw me a kiss? Look at this. It's actually accumulating. A little bit. Audrey, I love you. Hey, look at me, Audrey. I love you, honey. You about ready to come in? Do you want to come inside, Audrey? Would you like to come inside? Hi, buddy. Harry, do you want to come inside now? Yeah. Okay.